Robust digital expert enthusiasts.
Welcome to Robust Digital Expert, your digital cafeteria, your career accelerator, and your future-proofing hub. This is not just another tech channel. This is where digital dreams become strategy, structure, and success. Are you hungry for growth? Craving real transformation? Then you are in the right place. From business analysis to project management, from data science to AI, from Scrum mastery to mindset mastery, from robotic process automation to business intelligence, from machine learning to digital transformation. We train, we mentor, we elevate, with zero tech snobbery and 100% hands-on value. No experience, no problem. Our doors are open to beginners, career switchers, returners, and ambitious dreamers. We make it practical. We make it personal. You do not just learn, you become. What we offer: live projects, digital internships, virtual mentoring academy, mastermind support groups, bursaries, subject to eligibility criteria, on-the-job support, real confidence, real CV results. And yes, we go beyond hard skills. You will get mindset rewiring, confidence coaching, clarity building, because true success starts from within. This is where self-belief meets skill set. This is where accountability meets opportunity. So, smash that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you never miss your moment. Your seat is ready. Your path is set. Let us build the digital future together. Check the description for your next step. Start today. Stay consistent. See results. Robust digital expert. Learn, transform, elevate.
The title of the playlist.
The Business Analyst Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
Query.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide two concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly.
Definition.
A query is a request for information, clarification, or data typically posed to a system, database, or stakeholder to gain further understanding or retrieve specific details. In business analysis, queries are essential for driving insight, verifying facts, and refining requirements.
Origin.
The term query has its roots in information systems and database management, where structured query language (SQL) allowed users to extract or manipulate data. In business analysis, it evolved to include not just system-based requests, but also analytical questioning of people, processes, and requirements.
Detailed explanation.
Data queries used to extract specific records or summaries from structured databases, e.g., SQL queries, allowing analysts to assess current performance or identify trends. Stakeholder queries, directed towards stakeholders to clarify assumptions, goals, or needs during interviews, workshops, or surveys. Process queries, asked to uncover inefficiencies, redundancies, or gaps within a business process, especially during process mapping or discovery sections. Exploratory queries, open-ended questions that guide investigation, helping analysts explore unknowns or uncover hidden requirements.
Relevance to the field.
Requirement clarification. Queries help uncover detailed functional and non-functional requirements that may not be initially apparent. Data validation. They allow analysts to verify the integrity, completeness, and relevance of data sets used for analysis. Critical thinking driver. Queries promote analytical depth, helping identify inconsistencies or gaps in stakeholder responses or documentation.
Usage.
During elicitation, queries are used to engage stakeholders, clarify needs, and validate understanding during interviews and workshops. In data analysis, SQL or BI tool queries are used to pull reports, slice data sets, or track key performance indicators. In system testing, queries help testers and analysts ensure that inputs produce expected outputs, especially during UAT and integration testing.
Examples of application.
Database query. An analyst writes a SQL query to pull sales data filtered by region and month to evaluate performance trends. Stakeholder query. During a workshop, the analyst asks, "Can you walk with me through how you currently handle exceptions in this process?"
In summary,
in business analysis, a query is both a technical and interpersonal tool used to extract, validate, and refine information, whether posed to people or systems. Queries help analysts uncover truth, close knowledge gaps, and drive effective decision-making across the project lifecycle.
join the journey. Grow with us. Thank you for tuning in to Robust Digital Expert, where digital skills meet real transformation. Your time, your attention, and your support mean everything to us. You are not just a viewer, you are part of a movement that is redefining what it means to learn, grow, and succeed in the digital age. If you have not yet subscribed, now is the perfect moment. Subscribe to join a dynamic community where education meets innovation, and every episode is crafted to empower learners, leaders, switchers, and dreamers like you. By subscribing, you will unlock curated playlists built to accelerate your career, expert insights that demystify the tech world, mindset mastery content for real-life breakthroughs, hands-on digital training with real-world application. We want to hear from you. Drop your comments, share your thoughts, and suggest the topics you want us to tackle next. Your voice shapes the future of this platform. Be more than a viewer, be a contributor, be a digital transformer. Smash the like button. Share this with a friend or colleague. Stay engaged as we continue building a future-ready learning community. Join the Robust Digital Expert family today. Learn, transform, elevate. Your growth is our mission. Your success is our story. Thank you once again. We are just getting started, and we are glad to have you on the journey.